The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central El Paso County in east central Colorado, north central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piñon, or 17 miles north of Pueblo Airport, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect rain damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover. For your protection, you have to...
Kilo's Pint Night returns to Voodoo Brewing.
Are you